Look at this video. I'm sure you won't be able to stop watching it.
Once upon a time, in a quaint town nestled in the countryside hills, there was a unique summer camp known for its adventurous activities, beautiful surroundings, and lively campers. Among them was Sarah, a young girl with quick wit and sharp intellect. Sarah packed eagerly for summer camp, ensuring she had all the essentials for a fun week.
Animation is one of the most popular formats. No matter what field you are in, you can make your content more engaging with animation. However, creating animations can seem challenging to many people. But I am always looking for ways to simplify things. Today, in this video, I will introduce you to whiteboard animation. It's best to choose your niche first. You can create educational, storytelling, or motivational videos. With a little research, you can find a high-demand area and make videos in that field. But if you have expertise in a specific area, it's best to follow your personal interest. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will create an educational niche. This video is both educational and storytelling. You can find various topics in this field and create videos. If you have enough knowledge in this area, you can write the script yourself. But if you don't have complete information like me, you can get help from AI. Go to the website tinywow.com. I previously taught a niche using this site, which you can see from the link above. This site is completely free and you can use it easily. I have put the link in the description. I want to create my story with this site because it is written beautifully and in detail. You can also use ChatGPT. Once on the site, click Write from the top menu. On the new page, click Story Generator. On the new page, you need to write the details of your desired story. You can choose the number of paragraphs you want. I choose 5 paragraphs. In the topic section, you just need to write a simple sentence or a title. For example, what did Sarah bring to summer camp? And click Generate. Our story is ready just like that. You can copy it. Now, to create images and animations, we need ChatGPT to write a suitable prompt for each paragraph and copy it. Now we enter Canva. From the Create a Design section, select Photo Collage. On the new page, choose Magic Media from the sidebar. In the Image section, paste the written prompt. From the Styles section, select Anime and set the image size to Portrait. Then click Generate Image. Wait for the image to be ready. Choose one, adjust its size to fit the page, and download the image. Do this for all the paragraphs, then return to the Canva homepage and select a video. From the sidebar, choose Apps and search for Speed Painter. Click on this and upload the created image file. I set the duration of each animation part to 3 seconds. You can adjust the duration based on your video length. Enable both Fill with Color and Add Stretching Hand Effect, and finally click Generate. Once it's ready, click Add to Design, enlarge the image as you see fit, and download the video. In the last step, go to 11 Labs. Paste each paragraph of the story into the middle box. Select your desired voice, and you can also change the voice settings. Finally, click Generate Speech and download the generated audio. Now, import everything into CapCut, add appropriate transitions between them, and select suitable background music. And we're done. Let's watch the complete video together.
Once upon a time, in a quaint town nestled in the countryside hills, there was a unique summer camp known for its adventurous activities, beautiful surroundings, and lively campers. Among them was Sarah, a young girl with quick wit and sharp intellect. Sarah packed eagerly for summer camp, ensuring she had all the essentials for a fun week. True to her nature, she also packed some unexpected items, standing out from the usual sunscreen and swimsuits others brought. On the first day of camp, Sarah delighted her peers by sharing her collection of joke books and riddles around the campfire. Her wit and humor quickly captivated everyone, creating a lively and enjoyable atmosphere at the camp. Throughout the week, Sarah charmed her peers with her sharp wit and clever remarks, brightening moments during hikes, games, and late-night stories with infectious laughter and joy. As the week ended, Sarah captivated her fellow campers with a spellbinding story around the final campfire. Her storytelling prowess, filled with twists and turns, evoked laughter, gasps, and cheers, leaving a lasting impression on everyone gathered.
I think this is a very good whiteboard animation video. So with this method, you can also create a whiteboard animation video. Before ending the video, I would love to hear about your experiences with AI and the challenges you face. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching until the end. Until next time, Happy creating!